Niscomed Portable Phelgum Suction SU102. It has pipe inside the box and filter also. User manual is for your use. With the rotate knob, you can select the pressure to minimum to maximum. It has 1 liter plastic jar. On and off button is backside of the machine. Insert the tube into a negative pressure connector socket and connect the filter with the another side of the tube. And after that, adjust the tube . The edge need to be inserted in the jar. Take the second tube and put in the jar. One connector is with the box, so connector will use the other or another side of the tube. After that, set the pressure to max to minimum or minimum to maximum. After usage, switch off the button.